How to sign up as a driving instructor at CarLearner. Are you a professional driver who wants to become a driving instructor? Become an instructor at CarLearner and get paid for your driving skills. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to sign up as a driving instructor at CarLearner. Step 1. Visit carlearner.com. Step 2. Click on the Become an Instructor button on the home page. Step 3. A sign-up form appears on the screen. Fill the required field, verify you're not a robot, and click on Sign Up. You may also log in using your Facebook, Google, or Twitter account too. Step 4. Check your mailbox. You'll receive a confirmation mail to complete the sign-up process. Step 5. After confirming, you may log in as a driving instructor. Step 6. After logging in, fill in the profile section as per your requirements. Step 7. Next step is to upload all your legal driving documents in JPG, JPEG, PNG format. Step 8. In the next step, add your services in the My Services section that you would provide to your learners. Step 9. On filling up all these fields, you can get started with your career as a driving instructor and start earning. Step 10. Chat with your matching learners in the Messages section. You may edit your profile anytime and even change your password. Now you're all set to get learners and start earning.